Hi, George here, and we're looking at my live YouTube subscriber count for my main channel. You can see it's not doing too bad, but I have some ideas I'll be testing out over the next couple of months to get this moving up a lot faster. We'll see how that goes as these 2 months get by. But I'll be showing you everything here about subscribers on YouTube, including subscriber count, where you can take a look at your current and recent subscribers, or you can check for your subscribers with the most of their own subscribers, and everything else subscriber related. Let's get this out of the way and get over there and take a look at that. So the first thing you want to do is to get into your YouTube studio. And it's up here. Click on your avatar right there, little icon right there, and then choose YouTube Studio. Right now I'm taking this into my main account, my main YouTube account. Here we go, on the home page for the YouTube Studio. And in here, we have recent subscribers is right down here. Let's just go ahead and we'll jump down to that. There we go. And it shows you your top last 3. If you want to see everything, come in here and click where it says See All. Click on that. And here we go. Brings in a pop-up window right here. And this is showing us the subscribers for the last 90 days. They can change this up here, a little drop-down list right there. You can go last 7 days, last 28 days, 90 last year, or the whole lifetime of your channel. Notice that this is showing by the number of subscribers that my subscriber has. You know, a pretty good count right there, more than I've got. So I appreciate that. At the bottom down here, you can change the rows per page. Let's change this up to 50 rows per page. There it is, expands out to that. I can then scroll through this and see all of my subscribers in here. And then you can page through that, clear down to the bottom, there we go. And I can page through to see all of the subscribers in this current list. Again, right now it's at 90 days. If I wanted to scroll through and see everybody, I'd simply change this to lifetime, like that. Now over here, it's showing my subscriber count. I have Scott Nepal over here with about 250,000 subscribers, and John Peterson, almost as many. I appreciate both of you for subscribing in there. If you want to see your least subscribers, just click on where it says subscriber count, and it reverses that. And we now see the lowest subscriber rate, and I appreciate everybody in here just as much. I appreciate every single one of my subscribers. Now, when you're here, you can subscribe to their channel if you want to. Just click on that. This will then subscribe you to their channel. If you go over here on the name, you can see their channel by clicking on the name here. This is a nice thing to do if you want to go in and maybe see what their channel is all about and possibly subscribe to their channel as well. Or also, if you want to come in and just contact them, you can usually find their contact information right inside their channel. Sometimes it's right up here or over on the About page right down here. They'll frequently have email address right there. So there are ways in here to contact your individual subscribers. Just go over onto their particular page right over here. So pretty easy to do that. Now there's another way that you can see subscribers. Let's just get this out of the way. I'll go over here to comments, all the recent comments in here. Now if you scroll down, this is going to show you, along with the comments in here, is going to show you people who have publicly subscribed to your channel. Now everybody up here may be subscribers, but they're not showing their subscriber list publicly. If they are, come down here, you'll see this icon right there. This person has publicly subscribed. They've been following me here now for 2 years. So it's a way to come in and see who is following you and then handle those comments. Now, of course, I personally reply to every single comment I get. I make a point of doing that, and I spend an hour or so every single morning replying to comments, and I'll reply to comments throughout the day. I think that's just a good practice to be in. But you can see who has subscribed right there. Now, there's no way to see who is leaving a comment here and where they are over on your subscriber list. The two don't correlate that way. Unfortunately, it would be nice if they did. It would be nice if on the subscriber list, they showed how many comments you got from the different subscribers. That would be a nice feature. But you can see who is currently subscribed. Again, this is just the public subscribers. Back over on the subscriber list again, right here. These are also only people who are showing their subscriptions publicly. I may have a lot more subscribers shown that are not on this list, but they don't have their subscriber list public. Keep that in mind, that this is only showing you public subscribers and not all of your subscribers. Let's go back now and take a look at that current live count on subscribers. We can find that. Go over to Analytics, which is right here. And then right-hand side, there's my subscribers, and you can see the live count right here. Click on that, and there's the live count. Now, I don't have a ton of subscribers coming in. I get 20, maybe 30 a day. So this doesn't change that often. I'm recording this at night, and it really changes at all during the night. Most of my subscribers come in the morning to maybe about dinner time. So it's going to sit here at 291 until tomorrow morning, most likely. And then it's going to jump up quite a few at that point. Now, some top channels, you'll see this thing just rolling along real fast. I've had it happen to me a couple of times when I got a couple of viral videos. It would then move very quickly. It was very exciting to watch that. But most of the time, it just ticks away kind of at a slow pace. But it's nice that YouTube does give us at least a pretty good sense of who our subscribers are, and it does allow you to see the public subscribers very easily here. If you're looking for ways to earn money on YouTube, then check out my new master course all about making money on YouTube without waiting for monetization. You'll find a link for that at the top of the description. And while you're there, make sure you grab your free copy of my guide to the top 20 niches for making money on YouTube. Take a look at my channel for more videos on how to work with and improve your YouTube channel and videos. And don't forget to click on the like button, share this video, and subscribe to my HTG Success channel for more great YouTube content. And I'll see you next time.